Easy fire. Hello, I have Bit Blaster tomorrow. Bit Morgan, Lara, Mokom, Ragni, and Melissa. I don't know. I don't know, Skim. I talk to you right now, but you need rest, Jason. Ah, you got another girlfriend. Ah, Kim also from Bataya? Kim is sleeping, oh. Bakastok said Kim is sleeping, Jason. Thumbs up, guys. And who is Kim, Jason? Kim is from Galveston Country, Adult Bakers. Ah, and Jason, si Gila is a new girlfriend. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Yes, I'm sure. I'm sure. Jason is here already since I've started my YouTube channel. He's always there. He's like cold coffee, boy. He even before Jason is talking, because here in YouTube you can go live using StreamYard, and many people like in Bigo. It's like in Bigo that you can have multi-panel. And before we do that multi-panel, any time of the day, using StreamYard. So sometimes he is there talking. That's why. He's old but young. He's old, right? Baggerstock is old but young. He's old but young at heart. Gela is my girlfriend from Galveston Country Adult Daycare Center. And Kim is your friend. Okay, maybe Kim also will be your girlfriend, Jason. But this, but mostly here is a new subscribers, I think. If they subscribe my channel, guys, subscribe to my channel. We're road to 25K. I earned already 1,000 for how many days now? 1,000 subscribers for 1 week. Okay, Jason. Eat well. So your mom will not be angry because you are sick. But it's different. Before, really, it's YouTube before is really very, very lively. Lively live. It's good before, but now it's not good anymore.